Most people try to change their life, but they never change their internal position and nothing shifts. Today I'm giving you a 7-day method. If you do this every day for 1 week, your perception will change. And when perception changes, reality reorganizes. Your reality is not responding to your desires, it responds to your identity. Loyal identity is built from repetition, but most people repeat doubts, hesitation, old emotional reactions, victim narratives. So reality repeats them back. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you rehearse. So we are changing rehearsal. For the next 7 days, you will practice future memory installation. This is not visualization. This is identity conditioning. Sit upright. Close your eyes. Think of one specific outcome, not 10, one. Now, imagine it already happened. Not in the future, yesterday. You are already lived it. Now, instead of imagining the event, remember it. Remember how it felt. Remember what you were. Remember who was there. Remember what you said. Slow breath. Now say internally, this is who I am now. Again, this is normal for me. Now place hands on heart and say, I operate from this level, and stay silent for a while. Let the nervous system adjust. You are not begging for change. You are rehearsing identity. Repeat this exact process morning and before sleep. 7 days. No skipping. Reality bends to repetition. Don't look for immediate miracles. Look for subtle shifts, different reactions, different confidence, different decisions. Identity moves first, reality follows.